Welcome to our channel. Today, we are uncovering a hidden gem from Chikkamagaluru, Hebbe Falls. Located just 10 kilometers from the famous hill station of Kemmangundi in Karnataka, this breathtaking waterfall is nestled within a vibrant coffee estate. Once you arrive, you'll find a small coffee shop to relax and refresh. Be cautious of the local monkeys. It's best to avoid open jeeps and keep your car doors closed. Forest jeeps can be booked at the Hebbe Falls entrance gate for around 3,200 rupees per jeep, accommodating 6 to 8 people, starting from Kemmangundi. These jeeps navigate through private estates, but you'll need to trek the final kilometer from Khode's estate to the falls. The route includes 4 small bridges and offers breathtaking scenery along the way. We've finally arrived at Hebbe Falls. This spectacular waterfall drops 551 feet into impressive stages, Dodda Hebbe Big Falls and Chikka Hebbe Small Falls. One of the fall's unique features is that the water is infused with medicinal herbs, offering natural healing properties. It's like a natural jacuzzi with exotic herbal infusions. Take a dip and experience the rejuvenating effects for yourself. During the monsoon, the falls become even more impressive with a thunderous roar. The best time to visit is post-monsoon, from August to January, as the monsoon season can bring slippery rocks and leeches.
You take care of आकर just हाथ पकड़ने का काम ठीक है.
For enthusiastic trekkers, there's a thrilling 35-kilometer trail that stretches from Tarikere to Kemmangundi. This full-day trek meanders through enchanting coffee estates and diverse flora and fauna, making it a true paradise for adventure seekers. If you're up for a trek, be prepared for leeches, especially during the rainy season. Hebbe Falls is 278 kilometers from Bengaluru and 1965 kilometers from Chikmagalur. Tarikere, 35 kilometers away, is the nearest railway station, and Mangaluru, 222 kilometers away, is the closest airport. To reach Hebbe Falls, you'll first arrive at Kemmangundi Hill Station, where you can hire a taxi from Birur or Chikmagalur. Enjoy your visit and make sure to subscribe for more incredible travel destinations. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content.